I didn't anticipate a second edition. So it's just evolved over time. Just to give you one example, the question arose, how long is that infant mortality period? Because it just shows up on a chart with no time frames. And so I wrote a paper elaborating on that, and that's now in the book. And somebody asked me, well, how do you set up an OEE measure when you've got 4 different production lines? And so I've wrote an article on that. And, things come up. I give it some thought and do a little research and call my buddies and ask them. There's another part in there about managing the aging workforce. Well, I'm old, so I can speak to that. Well, and the other thing that happens is I'll read another book, on some topic, and I'll think about it. I'll go, I don't know about that, and that'll result in a paper, a critique. The most recent edition has a discussion of what common sense really is and how to achieve it. It's not all that common, along with a discussion of soft stuff versus hard stuff. The hard stuff is easy. It's the technology. But the soft stuff, which is leadership, alignment, and so on, can be a little more difficult. And I've added some words on that. Some other stuff includes additional information on the relationship between reliability and safety on design and capital projects. The book, in its original form, was something on the order of 280 pages, and now it's approaching 600 pages.
Wow, it's a pretty big book.
Big.
It's getting bigger all the time.
It is. So.
Yeah, if you think about it, that's 16 years or something? You said 99.
99, that's 22 years, 23 years.
Yeah, you're right. Wow.
Yeah. I guess you can't add. That's not, arithmetic's not your strong point.
I was thinking 2009, 1999. Okay.
Okay, whatever.